Is it time to buy or sell Rigetti Computing stock? In this video, we will explore Rigetti Computing in depth. Our initial report was released on our website on Friday, the 30th of May, 2025, and we are here to offer you an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to remain informed about our latest analyses. You certainly don't want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 2nd of May, 2025, our system has ranked Rigetti Computing as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.47. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 13.92% since we first listed Rigetti Computing as a buy candidate 20 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.70% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating the likelihood of further increases within this trend. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 38.97% over the upcoming 3 months, with an expected return ranging between 13.98% and 65.08%. In terms of the longer term, our 12-month analysis reveals a projected change of about 120.71%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 57.33% to 368.42% over the next year. This would translate to a future price estimated to fall between $19.05 and $56.73. Our latest daily update for Rigetti Computing includes the headline, Rigetti Computing Inc.'s stock price took a fall of 7.91% on Friday. The Rigetti Computing Inc. stock price dropped by 7.91% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 30th of May, 2025, decreasing from $13.15 to $12.11. It has now declined for 3 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 8.36%, reaching a low of $11.75 and a high of $12.74. The price has shown volatility during this period, and there has been a 4.94% gain over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume increased by 6 million shares on the last day, albeit with falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 54 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $649,004,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $21.42, and the lowest price was 66 cents. Currently, the price stands at 43.46%, or $9.31, below the 52-week high of $21.42, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Rigetti Computing Incorporated is currently attracting significant investor interest, as evidenced by increasing engagement from market participants. On the 27th of May, Rigetti's founder announced the launch of a new quantum firm, Rigetti, aimed at advancing artificial intelligence applications. This strategic move is expected to position Rigetti favorably against its competitors who entered the quantum space earlier. This initiative can enhance Rigetti's market perception and potentially increase its stock price as investors seek innovative leadership. Additionally, Rigetti is being compared with other major players in the quantum computing sector, including D-Wave and IBM. Analysts are weighing the strengths and future prospects of these companies, further fueling market discourse around Rigetti Computing Incorporated. This competitive scrutiny may contribute to short-term volatility, but can also signal long-term investment potential as Rigetti positions itself as a key player in the evolving quantum landscape. Recent analyses highlight the growth potential of quantum computing, predicting it could unlock substantial economic value by the year 2040. As the sector gains traction and investor sentiment remains favorable, Rigetti Computing Incorporated could see its stock price strengthen as the company continues to innovate and capture market share. The convergence of these factors underscores a promising outlook for Rigetti Computing Incorporated in both the short and long term, attracting both retail and institutional investors eager to capitalize on the advancing quantum revolution. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners assigned RGTI a buy grade alongside a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that B. Riley also assigned RGTI a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 20th of December, 2024, it was reported that Craig Hallam gave RGTI a buy grade with an initialize action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned RGTI a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 25th of July, 2024, it was reported that B. Riley again assigned RGTI a buy grade with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned Rigetti Computing stock a general strong sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Rigetti Computing. Rigetti Computing Inc. stock currently presents a sell signal based on the short-term moving average. However, a buy signal is indicated by the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive forecast. If the stock continues to rise, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at around $13.21. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at approximately $10.46. A breakthrough of the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will initiate a sell signal. Additionally, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact the stock's near-term development. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, May 27, 2025, and the stock has since dropped by 14.66%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, trading volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 4 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 155 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average highlights a buy signal from 22 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages points to a buy signal from 24 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average shows a buy signal from 29 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 6 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Rigetti Computing. Rigetti Computing, Incorporated, finds support from accumulated volume at $11.92. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock exhibits significant volatility throughout the day, and with a notably large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 98 cents between its high and low, reflecting an increase of 8.36%. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 10.48%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Rigetti Computing, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the P/E ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. Nevertheless, consistently negative P/E ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 6th of August, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rigetti Computing. In the event of an upward trend, The first resistance level for Rigetti Computing is at $13.86. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could present an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, Rigetti Computing faces its first support level at $11.92. If this support level proves resilient, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Rigetti Computing from multiple analyst sources is classified as a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 21st of May, 2025, Revis David executed an insider sale of 44,815 shares of common stock. On the 20th of May, 2025, Kulkarni Subodh K made an insider purchase of 1 million shares of common stock. On the 20th of May, 2025, Kulkarni Subodh K also conducted an insider sale of 1 million shares of employee stock options, which provide the right to buy. On the 20th of May, 2025, Kulkarni Subodh K executed another insider sale of 1 million shares of common stock. On the 19th of May, 2025, Bertelsen Jeffrey A performed an insider purchase of 218,750 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 19.944. Overall, insiders acquired 8,413,781 shares, while selling 7,645,588 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $11.52, representing a decrease of 4.86%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which introduces significant risk. A sell signal has been generated from a pivot top located 3 days ago. Is Rigetti Computing stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for Rigetti Computing Incorporated stock to perform well in the near term. After analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 2nd of June, we expect Rigetti Computing to open higher by approximately 9 cents and start trading at $12.20. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.